What's up guys, Tech Flash here, and today we are going to unbox and review AirPods 2 or AirPods 1.5, depends upon how you think this upgrade is actually from Apple. Now Apple has recently updated their AirPods and these are called the AirPods Wireless. They look exactly same like the old school AirPods, but these ones have some new features like this wireless charging feature, so you just have to put this case on a wireless charging mat and it starts charging. Now if you are one of those people who think that this is not a proper upgrade, you are right, because Apple was supposed to launch these quite earlier, but the problem with that was that Apple wanted to launch them with their AirPower, but the AirPower was never shipped, so these got delayed. And when Apple finally decided to ship these out, they were already quite late on their schedule. However, these are in front of us, and the biggest difference that I see between these ones and the old ones is this LED light which is present on the front of the case. Now this LED light was present inside the case in the last iteration, and other than that the whole body is same. You can see the charging port remains same. It is a lightning connector, so you are not getting USB type C. Now, the biggest difference between AirPods 1 and AirPods Refreshed Edition, Wireless Charging Case Edition, I don't know what to call them, is H1 chip. Now, there is a new chip inside these which will enable better battery life, better connectivity, and better shifting between different Apple devices. Now, you already know that Apple accessories are one of the best accessories when it comes to connectivity, because they can shift between every single device on your iCloud account, and so is the case with these AirPods. So if you're using these AirPods with your iPhone, you can easily convert them with your MacBook or your iMac, so the speed between the conversions is going to be much faster than the old ones. But other than that, if you talk about the sound quality or you talk about the bass, there is no difference whatsoever. In fact, Apple really cleared this up by saying that the drivers on these ones remain essentially the same ones that you find on the older generation. Another big change between these ones and the old ones is the option of Hey Siri. Now you can call Hey Siri just like you do on your iPhone, and Siri will start speaking to you, and you can use it to tone down the volume, because still there is no inline control for any kind of volume or music playback. Also, before going, I want to make it clear that there are three variants of these new AirPods. So first of all, there is a wireless charging case which you can buy separately and use it with your old AirPods, and it will cost you around $79 and give you a wireless charging upgrade for your old AirPods. But if you want the Hey Siri feature or the H1 chip and the increased battery life, then you can buy the AirPods without the wireless charging case, and that is going to cost you exactly same as the old AirPods. And if you want all over features like the wireless charging case and the new AirPods, then the final price is going to be around $200. However, since their launch, Apple has been giving us many sales, so right now there's a $20 off on Apple Store, but I don't know how much time will it last. So if you want to buy them, you have to grab them right now. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And if the video sucked, you should not dislike this video, because right now I already have many dislikes on my channel, so I need likes. Please like this video. Okay, bye, see you next time.